Hello po, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome po sa ating video discussion about our partner company, Manila Bankers Assurance, the life and non-life company. For today's video, our topic will be about most 3.0 and most GRP. So intended po ito sa mga gustong mag-level up ng kanilang solid financial foundation, focusing more on income replacement or life insurance. So, ang tagline po ng Manila Bankers Assurance, the best way to show your love. And of course, our ambassador ng aming insurance partners, walang iba kundi si Tito Boy Abunda, Manila Bankers Assurance po. So ngayon po, i-discuss po natin kung ano yung mga technical na mga information about this, ano yung mga plan options, ano yung kanyang features and other benefits. So I hope you're ready. So let's go ahead and proceed. By the way, Manila Bankers Assurance, dati tinatawag ito na Manila MB Life or Manila Bankers Life. Kasi dati life insurance lamang yung kanilang product line. But ngayon, life and non-life company because Manila Bankers Assurance also offering non-life insurance products as well. So founded in 1965. So actually, 55 years and beyond. More than 55 years na po ang ating partner company na ito. So more details about our organization, company profile po established March 12, 1965. So I think mga 59, 58 years na po. So mas matanda pa sa akin, di ba? So with 55 years, more than 55 years of expertise bringing protection and security to the Filipino family, aims to build the Filipino family's financial future and delivers the most innovative insurance products. Kasi po, yung traditional na insurance industry, more focus on the traditional insurance products, yung mga bundled na mga insurance, whereas dito, gumawa sila ng improvement or parang nag-evolve yung paggawa ng mga products and services na mas mag-fit po sa mga needs ng bawat Pilipino. So, most affordable. Of course, no, there's no other more affordable than what we are offering here. So, a truly Filipino company. So, member po ang Manila Bankers Assurance, ang Omnis Prosperity Group, together with IMG, Kaiser Medical Center, and some other businesses as well. All right. So, of course, ang IMG campaign, no, maybe you're here because somebody invited you to the financial literacy campaign of IMG International Marketing Group. In line with our 30M by 30, target po natin na ma-educate ang 30 million families, Filipino families by year 2030. So, as of now, we are already at 12.6 million Filipinos. So, of course, the main concept na tinuturo po natin, yung pagbibuild po natin ng solid financial foundation. So meron tayong trainings and workshops about this. And maybe you heard about Kaiser International Health Group. That's our main partner. Kasi si Kaiser Healthcare po siya, di ba? Pero meron din siyang kasamang insurance at investment. So maybe meron ka ng Kaiser and your friend offered you to level up your financial foundation. So, yung iba siguro first time to narinig, but anyhow, ito yung ating advocacy, no? So, sa Kaiser, 3-in-1 na siya. So, healthcare, insurance, saka investment. That's good for first-time investor. But of course, we doesn't stop with one product only. So, that's why when we think about ano yung next na gagawin ko, saan ko next ilalagay yung pera ko, the recommended option is to level up your financial foundation and try getting a insurance policy from most 3.0 from Manila Bankers Assurance. Kasi po, supplemental plan po ito ng ating existing plan na Kaiser kasi parang nilevel up natin kung ano yung mga limitations ng Kaiser features. So for example, if we want more healthcare, Kaiser is a healthcare, di ba? But of course, covered lahat ng sakit. But of course, but if magkasakit tayo ng dreaded illnesses or yung mga terminal illness, critical illness, so most 18 can offer more coverage on that. Yung insurance ng Kaiser is parang bonus lang siya. So, konti lang. Yung ibang mga maliliit na plan, below 1 million. Whereas, most 3.0 offer a million and more, no? Insurance coverage. And of course, yung Kaiser investment, that's good kasi meron tayong tumutubo na mga savings sa mutual fund. But, hindi siya flexible. Hindi tayo pwedeng magdagdag. Hindi na tayo pwedeng mag-withdraw unless hindi pa siya nagmamature. Whereas yung PDF ng most 18 or most 3.0 can be, it's very flexible. Pwedeng dagdagan. If walang pera, pwedeng hindi rin magdagdag. So, it's up to you and you can withdraw anytime. So, pag meron tayong Kaiser, tsaka meron tayong most 3.0, then parang nag-level up na yung ating financial planning as well. So, bakit ba supplemental plan po ito? Kasi napakalaking anong tawag mo nito, jump off, no, from our Kaiser savings, no, if we have most 3.0, so most of the time ito yung kanyang coverage. So, sa investment na side, flexible and doesn't go negative. So sa Kaiser hindi naman din magda-negative, but it's an additional option or portfolio for our investment. Of course, life insurance natin would be 1 million, and if the cost of death is accident, 2 million. So imagine that. Sa Kaiser natin parang if K45 lang yung plan natin, or 200,000 lang yung insurance natin. And of course, sa Kaiser, healthcare siya. But if magkasakit tayo ng mga terminal illness or critical illness, baka kulangin yung ating healthcare coverage. So that's why we get most 3.0 kasi meron siyang rider, no? Na terminal illness benefit, 500,000, and critical illness benefit, 300,000. So, very ano na parang anong tawag mo ito, more than perfect. So, nag-level up na yung ating pag-allocate ng funds for our savings and investment for our future. So of course ay yung ating price list ng most 3.0. So ito po ang eligible age po na pwedeng makakuha ng most 3.0, or yung most 18 is 5 years old to 60 years old. So nakikita naman natin napakamura kasi meron niya akong kakilala, pina-check yung policy niya, 34 years old siya, yung kanyang binabayaran is 12,000 a month. Pero dito sa most 3.0, yung 34 years old is 8,000 only for a year. Annual po ito. We're talking about annual. So imagine, i-compare nyo sa ibang mga insurance companies out there. So wala na mas mumura pa sa offer ng most 3.0 multiple option super term. So it would give solution to the possible ifs in life. So if we die too soon, we get instant money or life insurance. Kasi nga 1 million to 2 million yung kanyang coverage, hindi po ba? So, and of course, if we get sick, we have healthcare, especially the add-on the rider, critical illness and terminal illness, 500,000 and 300,000 for critical illness. And then if we live too long, yung ating PDF, yung premium deposit fund po natin sa investment will be money working for us. So, and of course, the main, ang Manila Bankers Assurance most 18 is an insurance. So it's very important that we understand yung mga basics ng insurance, yung concept po, understanding insurance, kasi many people lost a lot of money in buying life insurance products they don't understand. So napakarami kong taong nagsasabi sa akin na, Ma'am Rose, meron na naman akong insurance. That's good. Tinatanong natin, ano ba yung coverage niya? Ano ba yung kanyang, magkano ba yung coverage? Ano ba yung mga included at excluded insurance? Minsan sinasabi ng mga clients na, hindi ko alam, hindi ko nabasa. No? Kumuha lang sa ng insurance, hindi na naiintindihan. So make sure we understand how insurance work and price, because cost of insurance is always charged to you. Walang insurance na libre. So, somewhere out there, no, meron yang computation kung paano nag-come up yung premium ng insurance na binabayaran po natin. So, know what insurance product suitably answers your financial needs. Para saan ba? Ano ba yung purpose ng insurance natin in the first place? So, let's understand insurance further. There are two main types of insurance. Marami ang pangalan, no? But in category, no? Dalawang category lang yan. We have bundled insurance and unbundled insurance. So, yung bundled na mga insurance is pure insurance plus merong cash value. So, meaning yung insurance saka investment, ano siya, parang nag-fusion, di ba? So, mga example ng mga bundled insurance, yung whole life insurance, narinig na siguro natin yan, endowment, insurance policies with cash value. And of course, yung pinakasikat na variable unit life. So, yan yung ino-offer ng mga insurance companies sa mga bangko, yung VUL, no? So, mga blank life companies of their traditional insurance industry. Of course, yan yung best seller, yung VUL. But of course, there's another type of insurance unbundled. So, pure term insurance, meron ka coverage for your death, but you have a separate investment wherein more flexible yung ating pagmamanage dyan. So, separate premium deposit fund. So, let's check if your existing insurance is what type of insurance yung insurance na nabili mo, if ever you have an existing one. So, meron tayong first example po dito, yung whole life. So, bundled insurance, whole life with cash value or CV. No? So, makikita natin sa illustration, cash value up to age 99. From the term na whole life, no, 99 pa siya magmamature. So, hindi naman po tayo si Enrile. So, joke lang po. Hindi natin alam kung kailan mahahaba yung buhay natin. Mahaba yung buhay natin, praise the Lord, hallelujah. But no, majority of the whole life insurance, no, yung ating cash value or yung investment natin, mawi-withdraw natin upon age 99 or age 100. And of course, meron yung mga technicalities po dito sa cash value. So cash surrender value, so you will lose your protection coverage if you touch the savings before maturity. Nakikita natin dito, no, for example, 1 million death benefit in the early stage, wala pa siyang cash value. And of course, let's say in the middle of our lifespan, napagdesisyon na natin na kunin yung ating pera ng 400,000. So wala ka ng insurance coverage kasi ano na, na-touch mo na yung savings mo eh. So hindi ka nakaabot ng maturity. So ano na, wala na yung plan mo kasi wala na protection coverage. Kapag meron nangyari, wala na maiiwan sa family. And of course, if you want to borrow your cash value, no, magpa-pay ka ng interest for borrowing money from your personal savings. So, pera mo, ikaw pa yung nagbabayad ng interest. So, that's how whole life insurance works. And of course, decreasing coverage. Kasi habang tumatagal, di ba guys, no? Lumalaki yung cash value natin, tapos yung ating death benefit, let's say 600,000 na yung savings natin, ang death benefit natin, 400,000 na lang kasi para siyang reciprocal, di ba? So, habang lumalaki yung ating pera or cash value, lumiliit din yung ating death benefit. And of course, matures at age 99. So this is the only time clients can get his savings back if he's still alive, no? So hindi tayo sure dyan. So kaya because of this less percentage of being alive at age 99. So, ginawa yung second type of insurance, which is yung another bundle insurance, tinatawag na endowment, which matures at age 65. So, at least mas mataas yung chance na umabot tayo ng age 65. So, same with whole life insurance. So, ganito din siya. Cash surrender value, no, loan charge, decreasing coverage. So, habang tumatagal, tumataas yung savings, nagde-decrease naman yung death benefit natin. So, and of course, mas mahal siya, double the cost of premium kasi parang na-compress yung kanyang maturity. Instead of 99, na-move siya to 65. So, minsan double yung babayaran na mas mahal pa doon. So, early maturity at age 65. So, that's what we call endowment plan. And of course, maybe you have a variable or VUL, yung with cash value. So, nakikita natin hindi fix yung kanyang cash value kasi dependent po siya on market conditions. In other words, pwedeng kapag mataas yung market, pwedeng tumaas. Kapag bumaba yung market, pwede ding mag-negative. So, pag pandemic, no, during the pandemic, down yung markets, maraming mga VUL policy holders na nagta-top up ngayon sa kanilang cost of insurance kasi down yung kanilang investment, hindi nahabol yung cost of insurance. So, walang cash value kasi walang kita yung kanilang investment. So, of course, rate of return can go negative. So, especially during pandemic time, there are different factors that could cause the drop of our investment. So, the same cash surrender value, so you will lose your protection coverage if you touch the savings kapag kinuha natin yung pera natin, so mawawala na yung ating death benefit. So if maglo-loan tayo sa sarili nating pera sa cash value, magbabayad tayo ng interest, and of course, decreasing coverage, no, the same with endowment and whole life, and then matures at age 99. So check your policies if you have existing policies, kung anong klaseng insurance ba yung ating nakuha, whole life po ba yan, endowment or variable or yung tinawag natin VUL na mga insurance. So those are examples of bundled insurance. Now, however, meron din another category which is yung ating unbundled. So, ito yung offer ng most 3.0 unbundled term insurance with separate PDF. Tinatawag natin to BTID or buy term invest the difference. So, makikita natin dito, consistent yung kanyang death benefit. 1 million lang yan since the start. And then, of course, ang savings na side, no, mag-i-increase siya over long term. Napakaganda ng PDF or premium deposit fund or savings side ng most 18 kasi very flexible. Pwede mo dagdagan ng malaki. Pwede kang maka-withdraw anytime. So, walang charge, no, low cost. Mura lang po ito. Nakita natin kanina, annual yung cost ng insurance of 1 million. Pero napakamura ng premium na babayaran. So, no loan charge kapag withdrawin natin yung ating savings. Wala tayong babayarang interest. Uy, kasi pera naman natin yun, di ba? So, dapat lang na meron tayong freedom kung ano yung gagawin natin sa ating investment. Level coverage risk. So, 1 million from year 1 up to the last contract year. And of course, early maturity kasi most 18 or most 3.0, 18 years lang po siya. Hindi na 99, hindi na 65 years old, di ba? So, first year fund, no lapse feature. So, hindi siya magla-lapse kasi automatic po yung pera sa PDF pwedeng pambayad ng premium for the following year. And of course, guaranteed not to go negative yung kanyang investment, which is the best part. Kasi nakita natin kanina sa variable VUL, di ba? So, posibleng mag-negative kasi naaayon siya sa fluctuations ng market condition. Whereas dito, no, uh, guaranteed not to go negative kasi meron siyang flooring yung ating investment. So, that benefit, doble yung makukuha natin, di ba? Sa bundled plans, habang tumatagal, lumiliit yung death benefit, lumalaki yung pera mo, lumiliit yung death benefit. Dito, yung makukuha natin both, yung ating death benefit na 1 million plus kung magkano yung laman ng ating savings, no? Makukuha ng mga beneficiary yan by the time of death ng plan holder ng BTID or tinatawag natin na yung unbundled na insurance. So, which is a better option kasi you have more freedom, it's more cheaper, and you have more benefits compared doon sa mga traditional na mga bundled insurance. So, which would you rather buy? Di ba? So, nandito yung mga samples ng bundled versus unbundled. So, uh, for bundled or permanent insurance, zero cash value for the first 2 years. Dito sa PDF ng most 18, no, your money is credited to you immediately. So, kahit first year ka pa lang, kasi naglagay ka ng malaking pera dyan, first year pa lang, gusto mong kunin, pwede mong kunin anytime yan kasi pera mo naman yun. So, unlike dito, wala pang cash value. So, return on your money can go negative whereas dito sa unbundled na BTID ng most 18 or most 3.0, potential for higher return because it never go negative. Andito yung loan charge nga po pala, no, kapag gusto nating hiramin yung ating cash value ng ating insurance, 8 to 12%. Imagine that. Dito sa unbundled na insurance ng most 3.0, no loan charge. And of course, family gets the insurance benefit and does not add the cash value if the plan holder dies. So in other words, if yung kanyang cash value is 800,000 na 200,000 yung kanyang insurance, yung insurance lang yung makukuha kasi hindi pa siya matured yung plan, hindi makukuha yung cash value. Whereas dito, both, no? Family gets all the insurance benefits plus all the cash or savings if the plan holder dies, which is a better option. So imagine that. No? Maraming mga kahit mayayaman, hindi alam na meron palang ganito na option kasi ang alam lang natin yung traditional way, yung bundled na insurance po. So, and of course, no, ito yung comparison niya, bundled versus unbundled, can go negative versus guaranteed to not go negative. High chance of lapsation kasi kapag hindi nakapagbayad ng premium or down yung kanyang investment, like for example, nagka-pandemic, down yung market, hindi makapagbayad kaya nagta-top up kasi magla-lapse, di ba? Dito anti-lapsation since yung ating investment hindi nagdi-negative at auto-debit doon sa ating investment. So with loan charge versus no loan charge, so dito multiple fees. Every time na mag-a-add tayo, magta-top up, mag-withdraw, meron tayong babayaran mga load fees or management fees. Whereas dito sa kabila, sa BTID or most 3.0, wala tayong babayaran na any fees. So lahat ng pera natin, limpyo, na mapupunta sa ating savings, no? So walang deductions po 'yan. And of course, dito most of the time expensive, dito affordable lamang po. Fixed death benefit versus increasing death benefit kasi death benefit plus kung magkano yung kita ng investment, total yan na makukuha sa family in case of death of the plan holder, right? So, of course, no, mas maganda yung hindi magne-negative kasi let's do the math. The advantages of never going negative. So, for example, no, let's do some math. Mr. A and Mr. B both have 1,000 to invest. In the following scenarios, who ends up doing better? Explain natin to. So, say year 1, no? Ito si Mr. A, nag-negative yung kanyang investment ng 50%. However, si Mr. B, walang changes, zero lamang po. So, and of course, sa year 2, nakabawi, naging positive 50%, and si Mr. B, wala lang din. So, let's check, no? If year 1, 1,000 yung kanyang investment minus negative 50%, 500. So, meron lang siyang natira na 500. Pagpasok ng year 2, tapos tumubo ng 50%, hindi naman yung principal amount yung basis yung kung magkano yung current na value ng kanyang investment. So 50% of 500 250 lang. So 750. So in short, hindi siya naka-recover kasi 750 lang yung current value ng kanyang money even though parehang negative at parehang positive, 'di ba? So whereas si Mr. B kahit 0 at 0 lang siya, at least hindi nabawasan yung pera niya kasi walang negative, no? So zero is better than negative always, no? So at least no, yan yung napakaganda sa most 3.0 kasi hindi talaga siya nag-negative even during the time of the pandemic. What if check natin if reverse yung situation. First year positive, second year negative. Ganun pa din. Mr. A 1,000 plus positive 50% 500, ang total ng kanyang current value is 1,500. Pagpasok ng pangalawang taon, bumaba, 1,500, yung 50% ng 1,500 is 750. So, 750 pa din yung kanyang current value. Hindi siya nakabawi, di ba? Compared to Mr. B na 1,000 lamang, walang changes, walang negative, walang tubo at walang negative, at least hindi nabawasan yung pera niya. So, napakaganda talaga if conservative yung ating mga investments kasi hindi tayo maglo-lose money over the fluctuations of the market conditions. So, which is good, di ba? So, and of course, no, ito yung ano tawag mo ito, advantages of PDF, historical performance po ito. So, ano to, real-time record. So, for the past 6 years, from 2018 to 2023, so itong Philippine Stock Exchange Index, yung sa stock market. So, 2018, negative yan, negative 12. Anong pandemic, negative 8, 2020, di ba? Puro negative. And mutual funds, no, yung mga minamanage ng mga fund manager, negative 2018. So, dito, 2020, negative pa din, naka-recover konti 2021, negative ulit sa 2022. So, maraming negative pa din. Whereas, no, the actual returns of most 3.0 is wala siyang negative. Kahit pandemic 2020, 1% pa din yung tubo niya. So, yung mga nag-save ng kanilang savings sa PDF ng most 3.0, walang pera na nawala compared doon sa mga nag-save sa mga variable insurance at saka sa mga shares, no, nila sa mutual fund stock market, nag-negative, nag-drop talaga yung kanilang investment. No? Ano ba yung impact ng mga negatives na ito? So let's see or tingnan natin kung ano yung ano nito. Actual na example, no? So yan. So, for example, no, merong nag-invest ng 1 million investment. So, nilagay niya sa Philippine Stock Exchange yung kanyang 1 million, negative 12, that would be 872. So, pagka next year, positive ulit, so hindi pa rin naka-recover. Another year has passed, no, until 2023, yung kanyang current value na kanyang 1 million na lugi, naging 700,000 na lamang po. So, kung sa mutual fund, ganun din, kasi merong negative, merong positive, no? Yung kanyang 1 million hindi naka-recover. Current value 2023, 801,000. Whereas ito sa most 18, walang negative, di ba? So yung kanyang 1 million, pagpasok ng another taon, and so on and so forth, yung kanyang actual value year 2023 is 1.2 million. So nagtubo siya. So if you compare the three, most PDF most 3.0 has the better returns of them all. So might as well pag-isipan natin kung ano yung gagawin natin sa ating mga savings, no? I'm not saying na i-terminate mo yun, but maybe you can start considering having a better option, no? Other, ano ba, don't put your eggs in one basket, kumbaga, right? So, ano ba yung ibang advantages ng PDF? So, guaranteed not to go negative. Ano na, proven and tested for the past 6 years. So, even nagka-pandemic down ang market, but most 18 still were able to generate a positive return, even 1%, di ba? So, higher rate of return, interest is compounded, no charges or fees when you add or withdraw. Tax advantage on minimum initial deposit lang ng contribution ng most 3.0 was only 6,000, di ba? So, dati kapag nag-invest, pang mayaman lang kasi yung mga mayayaman lang nakaka-afford ng malaking amount. But 6,000 yung initial, yung gusto mong mag-add ng investment sa PDF ng most 3.0, 1,000 minimum, no? You can add kahit 1,000 every month. It's up to you. So, kasi flexible naman po siya. So, PDF can pay for future premium. So, pwedeng sa PDF ka lang mag-add. Huwag mo nang isipin yung annual premium mo kasi automatic lang yun magcha-charge doon sa laman ng investment. So, para hindi mag-lapse yung ating policy. And the only way to get access to PDF is through Most 3.0. Walang ibang company na nag-o-offer ng unbundled buy term, invest the difference na feature only in our partner, Manila Bankers Life, Most 18 3.0. So, etong Most 3.0, meron siyang dalawang variant, by the way, no? Most 18, bakit 18? Kasi 18 years yung kanyang term, year 1 to 18 years. So, sino ba yung ma-eligible na pwedeng mag-avail ng most 18 is member of IMG or non-member of IMG can apply. So, individual policy po ito. So, insurer will be issued a policy. Eligibility age for most 18 is 5 years old to 60 years old. No, however, selling insurance to OFW is not allowed. So therefore, gumawa tayo ng group plan or etong most GRP pwede ditong kunin ng mga OFW. So, exclusive for IMG members. Kasi group policy po itong, hindi individual policy. So, kahit nasa ibang bansa, pwedeng mag-avail ng most GRP, the same benefit, no? Insured will be issued certificate of coverage para siyang sub-policy ng main policy. So, technically, it's allowed for OFW to start their savings, no? Or policies with most GRP. And eligibility age is 18 to 60 years old kasi yung mga member ng IMG dapat legal age. So, mga 18 years old and above yung pwedeng mag-avail nito. But technically, both of those, no, have the same benefit. So, ano ba yung most 3.0? Multiple options super term. Bakit ang tawag na multiple option? Kasi pwede siya for different purposes. So, this is an unbundled life insurance with PDF or yung premium deposit fund that provides coverage for 18 years. So, again, 18 years yung kanyang term. And it allows maximum coverage at a very minimal cost. Nakita naman kanina natin sa price list, di ba, na napakamura yung kanyang cost of insurance or yung kanyang premium. For exactly the same amount of protection, most 3.0 is the cheapest type of life insurance compared to other life insurance products. Sinabi ko na nga kanina, yung friend ko, di ba? So, yung kanyang binabayaran sa kanyang policy, 12,000 per month. Whereas dito sa most is 8,000 per year lang yung kanyang premium for 1 million insurance. So, para saan ba to? Depende sa atin. PDF may be used for different purposes. We can put in our retirement money intended for pension, or we can use this plan as a educational plan for our kids, no, our children. Kasi minsan iniisip na, ano ba yung pwedeng educational plan? Huwag natin ilagay sa bangko po kasi napakaliit ng interest. So might as well opening most 3.0 account, no, for your kids kasi 5 years old na sila, pwede naman sila magkaroon ng plan. So this is commonly known as BTID or Buy Term Invest the difference. So, meron tayo ditong sample proposal, no? Renewable din po ito. Sa 18 years lang yung kanyang term, di ba? So, pagkatapos ng 18 years, it's up to you if you're gonna continue this one for different purposes. So, sample po ito, sample proposal. Meron ditong age 22, no? Gusto niyang mag-open ng new policy. Yung kanyang target is magkaroon siya ng 1 million na savings pagkatapos ng 18 years. So, the system will compute kung magkano yung kanyang babayaran. So, based on 12% net yield yearly. So 22 years old, yung kanyang annual premium sa kanyang insurance only 6,891. Imagine that, napakamura. Magbabayad siya ng policy fee once only for 18 years. And then, yung kanyang basic death benefit is 1 million. And of course, initial na investment sa PDF, kailangan niya magsimula ng 6,000 na initial. And then, yung kanyang 1 million, and again, accidental. ADB is accidental dismemberment benefit. So, in other words, if accident yung cause of death, another 1 million times 2 yung matatanggap ng family na pera or yung insurance proceeds. Na terminal illness benefit, 500,000. Critical illness benefit, 300,000. So, ito yung example. Based on his target na 1 million, the system will compute. For example, ano siya, OFW. Gusto niya, ano lang siya, 5 years nang niyang babayaran yung kanyang 1 million. So, based on system computation, no, meron yung mga options din kung ano yung eto sa yung kanyang option ng kanyang proposal, by the way, is yung pinili niya is target based kasi yung kanyang target is 1 million savings after 18 years, but the proposal will also compute for different purposes. Pwede lang kung magkano budget, pwede money back, no, parang ano lang siya, yung minimum, pinaka-minimum talaga. Pwede din tayong mag-create ng proposal for education and graduation gift and pension and retirement. So for example, start tayo muna kasi new policy pa, target savings 1 million. So ito yung kanyang pinili na target base, and the system computed na for 5 years, no, ito si age 22, kailangan niya mag-ipon ng 46,192 in the next 5 years kasi po ito yung computation na magbibigay sa kanya ng 1 million na savings at the end of 18 year. And of course, annual contribution, magkano yung kanyang premium? Again, 6,891 plus 500 na policy fee. So sa first year, 7,391. So 46,000 minus 7,000, 38,000, yun yung nalagay sa kanyang premium deposit fund na investment. So 12%, ito yung tubo niya, compounding. No, and yung death benefit niya, syempre, 1 million, di ba? Plus kung magkano kita ng kanyang investment, 1 million and 43. And so on and so forth, no? After 5 years, so yung pera niya naging ano na, 200,000. And of course, dito, 6th year, hindi na siya nagbayad kasi marami na naman siyang pera sa kanyang investment. So dito na nadideduct. Nakikita niyo dito, yung kanyang PDF cash flow, nadideduct na siya ng premium ng insurance na 6,891 in the next years to come. So, after 18 years, kumita pa din siya ng 1 million. So, yung total na nabayad lang niya, 230,000, pero yung kanyang savings due to compounding interest, kumita ng 1 million. So, at least na-hit niya yung target niya. So, 5 years naman siya nag-ipon at 46,192 annual contribution. So, and eto, kapag natapos na yung term, meron ka option either you withdraw it or i-renew mo. So, for example, at age 39, no, 22 siya nag-start, 39 natapos yung term, bata pa siya, di ba? So, nag-renew siya ng kanyang plan. So, this time, hindi na target yung kanyang purpose, kundi ang purpose niya kasi nag-asawa na siya, nagkapamilya niya. Ang purpose ng kanyang next batch of term ng kanyang most 18 is intended for education kasi may anak siya. So, yung kanyang 1 million, inilagay niya no sa PDF. So, yung premium niya 11,000 na kasi ano na siya 40. So, tumaas na rin kanyang premium. So, um 1 million minus 11,000. So, meron pa din 900,000 na nalalagay sa kanyang PDF, which grows 12% pa din. So, this time, yung kanyang death benefit, 2 million na kasi 1 million na yung pera niya, at saka plus 1 million na death benefit. Kaya, mas malaki na yung matatanggap ng family in case may mangyari sa kanya. So, nakikita natin dito, no, hindi na siya nagbabayad yearly kasi yung PDF na lang yung parang nilagay niya doon, no? And at age 45, no, nag-withdraw siya ng 100,000 kasi nag-college na yung anak niya, for example. So, in the next 4 years, nag-withdraw siya ng 100,000 plus, no? So, for this batch, wala na siyang contribution na yearly. Yung PDF na lang, yung 1 million na lang niya yung startup na capital niya dito. Yung total withdrawal niya, almost 500K or half a million for the educational purpose of his child, di ba? So, and then, pagkatapos ng another 18 years, kumita pa din yung kanyang investment ng 5 million. Imagine that, di ba? So, age niya dito 57 years old. So, pwede pa ba siyang mag-renew? Pwede pa. Kasi yung eligible age dito is up to 65. Pwede mo pang ma-renew yan. So, let's say yung 5 million niya, na-renew niya ulit ng another batch, no? This time, yung kanyang intention is lump sum retirement or perpetual pension kasi magre-retire na siya, 58 na siya, di ba? So, 5 million, nilagay sa PDF yung kanyang kita ng kanyang previous set of investment. So, wala na, auto-deduct na, 41,000 yung annual premium kasi mas mataas na yung edad niya. So, meron na siyang withdrawal at age 65 kasi retired na siya, di ba? So, nag-withdraw siya ng half a million every year. So, intended for pension. So, yung kanyang total withdrawal, 5.5 million. So, 12% yield, compounding interest, yung kanyang pera, kumita pa din ng 25 million. So, imagine that, di ba? And of course, if hindi mo naubos yan, no, pwede namang kunan ng family yan upon death. 26,000 death benefit mapunta sa ating family. So imagine that, no? 5 years naman siya nag-ipon, target savings, educational plan at retirement or lump sum retirement, perpetual pension, different purposes. So in one plan, napakadami yung pwedeng gawin dito. Napaka-flexible, guys. So ito yung offer ng Most 3.0. So you might consider this one to be a part of your financial planning options in the future. So, another important provisions and other features. So, convertible. Again, as what I've said kanina, you may convert your policy to a whole life insurance kasi ito parang whole life na, di ba? Kasi ni-renew niya. 2 beses niya ni-renew. Actually, 3 beses, 3 batch, different purposes. So, as long as wala pa tayo sa age 65, pwede pa nating i-renew or i-convert yung ating existing na plan. And of course, for minors, like say yung anak natin yung kukunan, meron siyang tinatawag na Payers Death and Disability Benefit Rider or PDDB. So, yung parent yung nag-ipon para sa anak niya, example, kinuha ni Lord, mafu-fully paid yung 18 years, no? Para siyang waiver in case na namatay yung payer. So, and of course, non-medical limit, wala pong medical requirements if 1 million yung face amount ng ating plan and below. And of course, subject to contestability for 2 years. And the same naman yan, protocol naman yan sa mga insurance, diba? And of course, grace period, meron siyang 31 calendar days from due date before maglalapse yung ating policy. But of course, hindi pa siya ma-forfeit. The same sa Kaiser, meron pa siyang 2 years from the due date na pwede nating reinstate. So, napaka-flexible talaga ng savings option na ito. Napakaganda, napakamura, napakalaki ng growth ng investment, hindi na negative, pwedeng ma-withdraw anytime. So napakagandang investment options na pwede mong simulan. So actually, mas maganda pa nga to sa mutual fund kasi yung mutual fund nagne-negative, di ba? Tapos wala siyang insurance. Ito, hindi nagne-negative yung investment mo, insured pa tayo ng 1 million, 2 million accidental death, meron pa tayong critical illness coverage and terminal illness coverage. So napakaganda, meron kang Kaiser, meron kang most 3.0 plan as well. So nag-level up na talaga tayo sa pagbibuild ng ating financial foundation. So that's our goal naman po in the first place. So total financial solution, again, so we provide education. We need to let people understand about the basics of insurance kasi kapag hindi natin naiintindihan yan, we will lose a lot of money in putting our money into wrong investment options. Or meron pang, I'm not saying wrong, but ano lang, meron pang better sana na pwedeng paglagyan ng ating savings. And application, of course, entrepreneurship. If you want to get your most 18 free, no, of course, join IMG and do the advocacy of being a financial educator kasi you can earn commissions for every account na maku-close mo dito sa most 18. Of course, you need to get licensed for that and become part of the mission. So if you want to get started, just fill up a form and check out you can pay via cash, online bank transfer, over-the-counter deposit, credit card, Video Bills Payment Palawan. Ito yung mga bank accounts ng IMG. Dito natin i-deposit yung mga payments natin for our initial investment and for our sub-payments as well. So I hope you learned a lot from that and thank you so much. This is Rose P. Sardido, Associate Financial Planner, saying financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. So kapag may mga tanong po tayo tungkol sa na-discuss natin, kasi limited lang yung time natin, pwede nyo po akong i-contact via my mobile, my email, may link bio. Ito yung QR code ng ating link bio. And you can add me on Facebook, no? So, normally, I'm online naman. Nagre-reply naman po ako kapag hindi lang ako natutulog or wala akong meeting. So, I'm available to attend to your question. I'll be happy to assist you. Or you can visit our financial center. I'm based here in Tagbilaran City, Bohol, no? IMG Tagbilaran Financial Center in Cogon, Tagbilaran City. So, to discuss the requirements, and if you have a lot of questions, so don't hesitate to message me and I will guide you on getting started in making your financial foundation stronger through most 3.0. So I hope mayroon kayo na natutunan, guys. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.